Hello, this is Greg. This is going to be an eBay sales video. I found this radio in just an old box, and it is a Chevy. It's from 1959, little Chevy emblem, AM only. It off and on works, volume, balance, and then the knob, you can see it moving back and forth. And then the buttons, the preset, they all function. And to set these old ones, if I remember right, you can we'll take this one here and move it to, right now if we push it, it goes to 16. Let's move it back to about right there, and then we pull it out and then push it back in, and now it's set to that spot. So everything seems to function. And do all of these, let me, just for, yeah, that one pops out. That one pops out. That one pops out. And that one pops out. And you don't want it to pop out easy, because you don't want to change the channel if you're not interested in that one when you're traveling. So anyway, I have no idea how to power this on. I have pulled the two panels off. It has 3 transformers in it. It's from 1959. Everything is complete inside. And let me pause and open it up at this point to prove what I just said. In fact, there's no reason not to just record popping these panels off. It just takes a second. Well, let's say 2 minutes. Here and here. This wire is old and just cracking. So just full disclosure. This off. That's what the inside looks like. It's fairly dirty. On this bottom side, the top looks a little better. All the solder joints look fairly good. Let's take the Tom Love only on here, and there you go. Now you get a better idea. But there's a transformer. There's a transformer, and then there's the one on the back. So, and so that's that side. I'm going to go ahead and slip this panel back on real quick. Okay. Here. Two short ones go in front. Two long ones in back. Oh, crapper. Sorry. Let's move that out of the way. Okay, flip it over, do this side. Should go super quick here because I've done this before. Now, just as a note, there's a power plug here that isn't here, and there's one here. So, and not knowing the power, I don't want to turn it on. Here is the here's the little paper. Oh, let's see if I can. Here and there's the model number that looks like some type of a pin out. Oh, Those are probably the fuses. And then the one on top is possibly this up here, maybe? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's probably this metal one here in the middle. Maybe. I'm a guessing. So, and then let's go to the tom lob. Those are the numbers. There you go. And slip this back inside. Okay. View here, we do. Okay, there we go. So, like I said, this is going to be for sale on eBay. It's heavy. It's going to be going in a very big box. Let's see if I can turn my, well, what do we got here on the webcam? We don't have a view, do we? All right, well, I can fix that. I have thumbs. Let's turn this around this way a little bit. This is the box it's going to go in right here, so it's rather big. So consider that when you order for shipping. But it's got a nice big thick piece of foam in the bottom. There. Will it fit? Will it go this way? Oh, it'll go this way. Yes, I like that better. I like that better. Just a little room all the way around. And then we'll shove some paper in. And I know that this is going to be expensive to ship in a box this big, but I don't have anybody whining about how stuff gets to them. It always makes it in good shape. And there we go. I'll get the particulars set up for doing the eBay sale. So let me move you back around. And there's my bench, all filthy from a radio. So, and I'm just spraying it on myself. Stopping now. Thank you for watching. Thank you more for buying. Have a wonderful day.